Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive employee satisfaction survey for HR and recruiting using Outgrow. HR teams, recruiters, and organizations can easily build these interactive experiences to understand employee sentiment, improve workplace culture, and boost retention. Now, let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience step by step. We'll begin with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Open the AI Assistant and ask it to generate an employee satisfaction survey. For example, you can prompt it with something like, create an employee satisfaction survey to gather feedback on workplace culture, management, and overall job satisfaction. Within seconds, the AI generates a complete interactive survey draft, including all the required questions and options based on employee feedback. It will then ask if the setup is okay with you or if you'd like to make any changes. After that, it will ask if you are creating this content on behalf of a company and choose a symbol for your survey. But remember, AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once the draft is ready, head to the Build tab. Now go to the Overall Design tab to personalize your survey by uploading your company logo, adjusting brand colors, updating fonts, and adding workplace-related visuals to make it more engaging. Here, you can see the questions already added by the AI assistant, such as on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with your current job? Do you feel engaged and motivated in your current role? How would you rate your current work-life balance? Are you satisfied with the opportunities for professional development provided by the company? And many more. You can further customize these questions to collect deeper insights. Next, you can add a lead generation form before showing results to capture employee details if needed, or keep responses anonymous for honest feedback. After submission, employees will see a thank you page, such as, "Thank you for sharing your feedback. We greatly appreciate the time you've taken to complete our employee satisfaction survey." Once you're happy with it, click Go Live. You can share the live URL internally, embed it on your company intranet, or include it in HR emails and employee engagement campaigns. And that's it. Your employee satisfaction survey is ready to help you gather valuable insights and improve employee experience using Outgrow. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's 7-day free trial and start building your own interactive HR and recruiting content today.